YouTube. Welcome back to the D.Chanel show. So today,
welcome back to the Quan Show. No D.Chanel. What's bracking? What's going on, gang?
Anyways, today we're going to be making avocados.
Sit over there.
Today we're going to be making avocado coleslaw. You know what I'm saying? Quick and easy, you know. Don't require too much work. Just go ahead and blend in all your ingredients. And then pour your dressing over your coleslaw mix. Mix it and you done, honey.
I'm gonna put my dressing on you.
You already did. You good? Make your hair shape. You good? Alright, so you're gonna go ahead and start with your What's up, acting? No. You're gonna go ahead and start with your dressing. You're gonna need your avocados, your water, your cilantro, your minced garlic, your lime juice.
Hold on, your who?
Minced garlic? Your garlic?
Thought you said mint, boy.
Your lime juice, your salt and pepper, and then of course your coleslaw mix. You know what I'm saying?
Let go.
Alright. So you're gonna go ahead and put everything into the blend. You're gonna go ahead and put everything into the blender except for your coleslaw mix. So I'm just go ahead
Why
and
you don't want to put the big old ball in there?
What you put in there? You want chopped up coleslaw? That's disgusting.
Yeah, ain't that what coleslaw is?
You want it blended?
You say chopped up. See,
you had
you
none.
got two. You gonna say blended or?
I'm gonna really do this. People want to see a quick video. They ain't got time for your shenanigans.
They ain't got time for no quick video.
They do.
No, they don't.
Water. You know you gonna fuck them.
That motherfucker sound good and wet.
Alright, so next you're gonna go ahead and pour your dressing over your coleslaw. Alright, you guys, so this is the finished product.
Can you quit flinging stuff?
What you talking about?
Flinging avocado sauce all on the camera and stuff.
And
They
they want to taste it too.
They don't want on their face.
You want to taste it? Yeah, they do.
They said no.
Yeah,
We
they
don't
wanna
want y'all
taste-
foods.
They want to taste it. Nah. I'm just gonna go ahead and play them. So this is the finished result. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and taste it, and that's it.
So subscribe, like the video, and jump down in the comment section.
Mmm. I'll eat my fingers.
And we gonna holler at you. We out.
No. Mm-mm. Well.
Keep smacking the shit out of the goofy ass.
I will smack you too. I'm just gonna pray for you. Let the good Lord help
I've
you
been
out.
told it all my life.